In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a stylized cartoon 3D portrait using AI. Let's get started. Creating a stylized cartoon 3D portrait from your photo is now quick and beginner-friendly thanks to AI tools like Photor. You don't need any design experience, just a good photo and a few clicks. So start by going to your browser and search for Photor AI artifacts, or visit the Photor website directly. Once the page loads, you'll see an upload area where you can start your project. Now click Upload Image and choose the photo that you want to transform. And make sure to use a high-quality resolution image, make sure your face is fully visible, choose a photo with good lighting, avoid heavy shadows or filters. Also use a simple background to help the AI focus on your features, and front-facing or slight-angle portraits work better than side profiles. And once your image loads, look at the left panel where the different art styles are listed. Now scroll down to the Cartoon section and select Stylized Cartoon 3D. And the AI will automatically process your image and apply the effect. This usually takes a few seconds. But note that this effect is a premium feature. To upgrade your Photor subscription to be able to generate images with this effect and gain access to Photor's extensive AI generative features. After the effect is applied, click the Compare button at the bottom right to see the before and after. And if you're not satisfied, click Regenerate on the effect thumbnail, and each regeneration takes about 10 seconds, and you can try multiple times to get different variations. You can also hover over the effect and click the star icon to save it. And you can access the saved effects later in the Favorites section. And once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your image. And here are some pro tips for best results. With just a few clicks, you can turn any selfie into a polished 3D cartoon portrait. Once you get comfortable, you'll start noticing which types of photos produce the best results, and your edits will improve quickly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.